Another Tuesday fishing at Gloucester Pier. Baited up with bloodworms. Just waiting, watching the tip, seeing for the jiggle. Bonnie just got a bite. Don't know if she's catching anything or not. Probably not. Nothing. Well, at least we got a bite. Not many people out here today. It's really outgoing tide. We're here with Richie, Linda, and Mark. And if we catch something, I'm sure I'll film it. Well, it's been here about 30-40 minutes and got a few bites, nothing yet. Mark caught a crab. We're spread out a little bit. Linda's way down there, Richie's there, and Mark is over here. And Bonnie is there. She's just feeding the fish. Another bite and another no fish. Got her worm. Rebait, try again. Mark is jigging for him out there. The bridge goes from what, Gloucester to Yorktown?
Yes.
Okay. And this is the York River. It's a drawbridge, it swivels. Yorktown's over there.
Final battle, October the 19th, 1781.
She's a school teacher. Finally, after 2 hours of fish. It's a little tiny sea mullet. But it's a fish, and I caught it. No fish for Bonnie. But at least we're enjoying the paddle border way out there. I think he's going to go all the way across the river.
Is it loose, Mark? It's not loose.
The ducks are fishing.
Did somebody throw that, or is that a fish?
That was a duck.
Oh.
Bonnie just...
Yeah, he's got it.
This might be a fish. Bonnie, reel. There's a terrible snag out there. If you set a hook and don't bring it all the way in, you get snagged on a big chain or something that's out there. And she's got nothing. What are y'all doing?
Cursing Mother Nature. For putting trash on me.
Here he comes. Another baby sea mullet. That's number 2 for Bruce, none for anybody else.
Hey, you got another mullet.
Yeah, it was a baby sea mullet. All kinds of things you see from here. Just getting a nibble. What'd I say? What are you doing?
Not catching fish.
They're small, but they're fish. Got a double that time. This is the best fish of the day. Mark caught a striped bass. It's not big enough to keep. We'll be throwing him back. That's a nice one. Good job. Looks like Bonnie's got one coming in. I see it down there in the water.
Yay!
Hey, little croaker.
Thing bit like it was going to be a 40-pound.
We got a big fish Mark just caught. Little speckles on him. And he goes oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. It's been a little while since we caught a fish. But today we caught pigfish, croaker, sea mullet, nice striper, 2 crabs. Gonna be hanging it up pretty soon. Whoa, whoa, gotta go. So we're done fishing. We did catch right many. That was a false alarm on my line a minute ago. But this is where we are. And there's the truckster, and we're loading her up. Going to Dig Seafood to get devil crab, and crab muffins. Our buggies. Now we're on 33 East heading to Dig Seafood in West Point. Dig Seafood in West Point, where you get devil crabs and crab muffins. Crab muffins and devil crabs for dinner tonight. Yay! This is a crab muffin and a devil crab. Man, I wish you could smell them.